Hello everyone, today we are here to do a case report on a patient who presented with grade 6 baldness and he came to our clinic almost 6 months back. So at that time, the patient had severe hair loss in the frontal, crown and bilateral temporal regions. Since the patient was also very young and his donor quality was very poor, so we decided to go ahead with a single session first and we extracted about 4,500 grafts at that time. Later, after 6 months, after he's done with his PRP sessions, he's taken supplements and he's still on finasteride. You can see how well his affected areas have become, and his donor area has also healed well and the quality has also improved. So this is a very good example to show that while planning the surgery, it is really important that you should not always be in a hurry to go ahead with a single session. You can split your surgery and wait for the donor area to become healed, so that later in the future you can go ahead with the redo surgery so that the donor is also not affected and the patient also gets a good coverage.